We had to find out if I got a date or not.
तेरे को प्रोफेशन नहीं पता, तेरे को उसका पूरा नाम नहीं पता और तू रात भर बात करेगा.
And he's going to join in like any minute.
In a guy मेरे को ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, just that he should be cute, smart, tall, funny, entertaining, and he should be good behind the camera because I like to be in front of the camera. But apart from that, just a stupid cute boy who can rock a pink shirt with a flower behind his ear and know that that does not make him any less masculine.
Now what I want in a guy is कि उसे बॉलीवुड पसंद होना चाहिए. वैसे नहीं हो तो भी चलेगा. But should love books, but not more than me. I mean, you see, मैं ज़्यादा पिकी नहीं हूँ, but मुझे एक स्मार्ट सा सिंपल सा लड़का भी चलेगा. Hi, I'm Ayushi and I'm single.
Hi, I'm Mansi and I'm single too.
So we read somewhere on the internet that it takes you about 3 days to find a date online.
And we are going to put this theory to test and see if this actually works. So, two single girls, 3 days to hopefully find a date, and this shall be interesting. And while we try to go like a guy, आप जाके हमारे वीडियो को like और share कीजिए.
So आज है day 1 of the whole 3-day challenge. And today we have to set up our dating profiles, and setting up a profile is such an headache because you have to look cute but not too cute, approachable but एकदम ज़्यादा भी नहीं.
I'll only be doing Bumble and OkCupid. Bumble पे already मेरी एक प्रोफाइल है, तो I'll be making one on OkCupid. यार औरों का तो पता नहीं, पर मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ with like इतना सा self doubt, और मैं भी इतना regardless I love talking about myself, which is why I really like writing bio.
Day 1 काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग था. मैंने सबसे पहले तो अपनी फ़ोटोज़ चेंज की, कुछ नई फ़ोटोज़ अपलोड की, पुरानी फ़ोटोज़ हटाई. And when I got to swiping, I got a lot of matches, which was very overwhelming for me. But it was very positive also and very flattering. I got some really cute messages.
Bumble पे काफ़ी insightful questions है, which gives you an opportunity to be pretty witty and funny in your answers. But I came across such टापे हुए bios यार. मतलब I'm so done with men going like taller than you in heels or looking for a reason to stop looking at my phone. तो कुछ original लिखना. और 6'1" और 420 numbers हैं भाई साहब. Those are not a description to your personality. मतलब Bumble पे already एक option है जहाँ पे अपनी आप height लिख सकते हो, तो we got the point. Anyway, this became a rant. But all I was trying to say was that good bios are a game changer, my friend.
So the thing is, एक है जिसके साथ I can have philosophical बातें, books वगैरह के बारे में. And then there's the another one जिसके साथ I just keep on laughing. तो हम लोग सिर्फ हंसते रहते हैं क्योंकि हम लोग इतने सारे फिल्मी रेफरेंसेस देते हैं एक दूसरे को. तो what do you think?
I think you should go with a guy, that kind of suits your personality, kind of complements your personality and is kind of, suitable for you in the long run.
So today's day 2 and it's supposed to be just another day at work, except I'm not really getting any work done. Like I'm so distracted. मैं इतना swipe कर चुकी हूँ that Bumble's literally told me that you are all caught up.
So मैंने अपनी बहन से बात की and it helped put things in perspective a lot. I mean in the sense कि अब मैं सिर्फ एक लड़की से बात कर रही हूँ, तो one जिसने मुझे फिल्मी रेफरेंसेस दे के बहुत हंसाया था.
Apart from these Rocky the Hunters, I did manage to match with quite a few people, and I hope I'm able to text them though, क्योंकि 24 hours के बाद match expire हो जाता है.
अनुष्का हैंगनानी.
Yes.
Will you please help me swipe on Tinder and Bumble?
Okay, yes, for sure.
We have a deal, ladies and gentlemen. We cracked the deal.
I've really enjoyed talking to this one person in particular. Let's just call him Rahul for now. नाम तो सुना ही होगा क्योंकि फिक्शनल है. क्या असली नाम नहीं बताऊंगी. अच्छा, अगर 10 लोग कमेंट सेक्शन पे पूछ लोगे तो बता दो. Every time he said I was funny, I was like, फिर से कहो, कहते रहो, हमें अच्छा लगता है. Okay, I should stop because if he heard me sing like this, he'd probably reconsider this all. But I'm excited to go home and talk to him a little more.
आज है day 3, यानी कि वो दिन जिसका मुझे नहीं था इंतज़ार, because it gives me a lot of anxiety.
I can't. I did end up speaking to this guy for quite a while last night.
किससे बात करी थी? दिखा मुझे और फोटोज दिखा इसकी.
नीचे स्क्रॉल करना लगेगा.
पूरा नाम क्या है?
पता नहीं.
करता क्या है?
शायद सीए करता है.
शायद.
नहीं
तेरे को प्रोफेशन नहीं पता, तेरे को उसका पूरा नाम नहीं पता और तू रात भर बात करेगा. जाओ.
And right, I'm really late for work and I'm really sleepy. So I should go get ready. But I think I'll probably meet him today.
So what the thing was, we had to find out if I got a date or not. Turns out I did. I mean, the guy did ask me out on a date. मैंने अभी तक हाँ नहीं बोला है, but we'll stay tuned for that.
So this fellow seemed interesting enough to consider going on a date with. Yeah, so we're considering this virtual date option. We are going to essentially be video calling. I'll send him a Zoom meeting link. I'm not sure how this works because I've never done this before. I'll get back to you later.
What I have decided is that I will not go on the date. I will talk to the person a little bit more. I will try to get to know the person a little bit more, because that is how I function. I want this to be like a fairy tale sort of thing. So for that to happen, मुझे चाहिए कि मैं उस बंदे से थोड़ी बातें करूँ, उस इंसान को थोड़ा सा जानूँ, पहचानूँ before I actually go on a date.
I've put my lipstick and I think I'm ready, but I'm not ready. Okay, I've sent him the link also. And he's going to join in like any minute.
What's his name?
is Spot.
Spot. Hi, Spot. Hello.
Just ended the call and I must say I really like the idea of virtual dates. This was a good evening. It was a fun conversation and I'm really sleepy.
I had a lot of fun experiencing these dating apps. And Bumble का interface मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया है. Video calling and inbuilt call option, so that you don't have to share numbers before you want to. But I still prefer real meet cutes over virtual apps.
So the 3-day challenge of finding a date comes to an end. I went on a virtual date yesterday and it was fun. I mean, I enjoyed myself. But if I had to compare, I think meeting somebody offline is a lot more charming and interesting, I guess, than meeting somebody from a pool of online options. But having said that, I did have a lot of interesting conversations, and considering 2020 has become the year of this pandemic, and right now, honestly, I believe virtual dating will save us.
जितनी जल्दी हमारे लिए 3 दिन निकले हैं, उतनी ही जल्दी आप जाकर इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और द लोकल ट्यूब को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.